Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Latitude 7440. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue at hand is a cracked screen on your Dell Latitude 7440, which can be quite frustrating, especially when the touch functionality ceases to work. This damage often occurs due to accidental drops or impacts. If left unrepaired, it can lead to further complications, such as internal damage or malfunctioning components, which could ultimately result in a more costly repair. To carry out this repair, you will need several tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a replacement screen specifically designed for the Dell Latitude 7440. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. First, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back panel of the laptop. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the casing. Once the back panel is removed, locate the screen assembly. You'll notice that the screen is attached by several screws around its edges. Carefully unscrew these, ensuring you keep them safe for reassembly later. As you remove the screws, be cautious, as some may be shorter or longer than others. Now, gently lift the screen from its base, but be careful not to pull too hard, as there will be cables connected to the motherboard. You will need to disconnect these cables by carefully releasing the connectors. At this point, if it feels a bit too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the cables are disconnected, you can replace the damaged screen with your new one. Align the new screen with the base, reconnect the cable securely, and then screw it back in place. Ensure that all screws are tightened properly, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can lead to further issues. After securing the screen, replace the back panel of the laptop, ensuring it clicks back into place. Finally, power on your device and check that the new screen works correctly, including the touch functionality. To prevent future screen damage, consider using a protective case or screen protector, and always handle your device with care. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.